from this to this. Yes, you heard me. I used these 3 Korean products, so stay tuned so that I can show you the demonstration about how to use these 3 Korean skincare products that you will actually need step by step. Hey everyone, today I want to share how I have been using my Korean skincare products into my daily skincare routine, and by just achieving the glowy, the hydration, you know, like we all want that glowy skin and to feel like less insecure about our face, especially if you have like acne and then you can't even cover up with makeup. It's going to be like even worse and worse. I used to struggle with like a little bit of acne down there around my mouth, so and Korean skincare, I believe it's also for like African girlies, since I'm specifically from the East African. So no worries, you don't have to like rob a bank or anything like that. It's all about just going, like it's not even like more than $100, so you don't have to worry about that. Korean skincare inspires me because like majority of the Korean people have like glowy and hydration skin, like all of it. Korean skincare products have like lightweight texture, like when applying onto your skin it doesn't have to like clog your pores, and you know that's caused the acne to just like break down. And I usually used to get like breakage on my forehead, like the skin actually peels off. I don't know why it did that. Maybe it was due to the certain products I used to use before. I used to use like a wisdom product, and I don't have to use that anymore since I've learned that Korean skincare, it's like top out of everyone's skincare daily routine. If you have like oily skin or dry skin, you need to follow these steps where you exfoliate your skin, because you have like dead skin cells on your face skin and you need to get rid of that before it starts to get worse. And also you need to double cleanse in order to get rid of the extra sunscreen, extra product that you used during the day. You can do exfoliation like maybe like once a week, not a lot because it might ruin your skin and you might get irritated. Moisturizing your skin actually helps your skin hydration. Well, it depends like what kind of moisturizer you can use. I recommend these 3 products. You can use them like daily in your daily skincare or in your night or evening skincare routine. You don't need like expensive Korean products or any other skincare products, and you don't need a fancy skincare products or anything like that. It's all about protecting your skin and sunscreen, obviously, like every single day. Even if it's like winter time, you have to put on sunscreen to protect that skin barrier of yours, because I believe like our skin face, it's mostly like a weaker skin, you know, like we don't want to damage that. Compared to our body, it's totally different skin. And also like you don't have to have an expensive product. You need to like just make sure, check the ingredients and check if you're like getting irritated from this kind of product. comments like if you follow a step-by-step Korean skincare routine that actually works for you, and if you write it down in the comments, you can help other girls or other males that needs to know about Korean skincare, and to help them out if they can actually benefit from you guys. We need to help each other out because we don't want to struggle with acne or breakage or whatever, especially like dry cracking skin. Like, we don't want that. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video and share it to your friend, to whoever who needs this skincare tips, especially if you love like Korean skincare and trying to switch from Western skincare products to Korean skincare. You can share it to them, and don't forget to hit the bell and like, so that you're not going to miss out if I upload a new skincare products or a skincare tips you need to know.